It's Wednesday. Hapon na. Katatapos ko lang mag-film ng dalawang videos. And I'm gonna show you guys my new setup. Like, I have a freaking setup. Nandito ako sa parang vacant na kwarto sa bahay. And yeah, dito na yung parang filming room ko. Char, meron akong filming room. Pero I'm gonna show you guys my lighting. Because yeah, I'm just so excited. Ganyan yung setup ko for now. Dito ako nakaupo. Tapos, sobrang messy, you guys. Because I just literally finished filming a haul video. So, dyan ako nakaupo. Tapos, yan yung lighting ko. I got this one from gearbest.com. I swear to God, that website has every freaking thing. And there's another one. Hindi ko pa ginagamit. Obviously, hindi pa final tong setup na to. Pero for now, it's working great. My battery is dying. Obviously, hindi pa final yung setup. But for now, I'm really happy with it. And yes! I need to charge my battery because nagbi-blink na naman yung battery low. Kailangan ko na talagang bumili ng battery. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing the Sephora lip tint. Ito yung Rouge Infusion lip tint in the shade Rosewood. And it's supposed to be lip tint. So, we'll see kung ano yung magiging itsura niya later. Yeah, tapos na ako kumain eh. Lunchtime! I'm watching Trisha Paytas while having lunch. And then, ito yung pasta na luto ng mama niya kagabi. Yummers, kain tayo! Hi guys! Tapos ko lang maligo. I'm going to use this. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nito. I got this from my baby bag. Wait, basahin ko. It's the Bavi Path Urban Kiss Peach All-in-One Peeling Gel. Yeah, so it's supposed to exfoliate dead skin cells, minimize pores, and brightens complexion with a single application. Meron siyang vitamin C, peach extracts to whiten and brighten the skin. So I have used this twice already. Ginamit ko siya kasi gusto ko na mawala na talaga to completely. And as you guys can see, malapit na mawala yung mga ano ko, blemishes ko. Nandyan pa rin sila pero parang nagbe-blur na sila. Malapit na. It's getting there. Malapit na naman yung bisita ko. So pagdating ng bisita ko, magkaka-pimple na naman ako. Oh my gosh, never ending. Pero how cute is this though? Sobrang cute, diba? So pag inopen mo siya, meron siyang maliit na parang spoon. Yan yung ginagamit mo to apply on your face. So, katapos ko lang maligo. So, obviously, clean na clean yung aking mukha. Tapos, dapat din dry yung mukha mo before mo to i-apply. So, I just scoop out the product and then apply it on my face. You don't really need a lot with this product. This reminds me of the Eye White na 3-minute whitening miracle. Ganito lang karami yung nilalagay ko usually, as in sobrang konti lang kasi a little goes a long way. Tapos minamassage ko lang yung skin ko. Nagko-concentrate ako dito sa ilong na part kasi nga dito mayroon maraming blemishes. Tapos dito din may isa dito. Mga scar na yan sila yan. Tagal na nila dito. Meron nagsabi din sa video ko, yung everyday makeup video ko, merong nagsabi na matagal talaga nawawala yung mga scars kapag hindi oily yung skin mo. Kasi noon, nung nasa Pilipinas ba ako, tapos oily yung skin ko, diba? Kasi every month nagkaka-pimple ako because of my period. Pero nawawala yung scars agad-agad. Pero now, sobrang nagtatagal sila. Ilang buwan na to dito sa mukha ko. So, as you guys can see, meron siyang mga ganyan. Ang sarap sa feeling. Nilalagay ko to, TTHS yung schedule ko sa kanya eh. So, today is Thursday, tapos Saturday, tapos Tuesday, nilalagay ko siya. Okay, after mo siya i-massage sa face mo, bandawan mo na lang yung mukha mo and then you're done. Okay, so tapos na. Sobrang ganda niya sa feeling after. Sobrang smooth ng mukha ko. Walang etchos. Mabibili to sa beautique.com. Kaya lang, yung Beautique daw hindi nagsiship sa Pilipinas. So, that's a bummer. Pero kapag nakita nyo to, tapos nasabi ko naman sa inyo kung anong pangalan niya kanina, it's made in Korea. Tapos ganyan yung nasa niya, in-check, ganun. Sobrang ganda. I really like it. Ginamit ko din yung serum na I got from Sephora. It's Wrinkle Fighting Super Serum. It's for the face and eyes na. I'm pretty sure ilalagay mo siya at night. Pero kasi hindi ako magme-makeup ngayon. So, ito na yun. Ito na yung mukha ko pagtulog ko. And then also, naubos na pala yung pre-lab na toning peeling up ko. Last night siya naubos. So, wala na siyang laman. And yeah, itatapon ko na siya. Wala talaga ako nakita kasi super drastic na changes nung ginamit ko to. Pero, yeah. Hi guys! Katatapos ko lang i-try on yung mga, wait, nanonood ako ng video ni Emily Noel. Katatapos ko lang i-try yung mga clothing para sa try-on haul ko na sinilm ko kahapon. So yeah, dito ako sa setup ko. Ganyan yung ganap ng aking setup. O diba, bongga? Bet na bet ko yung bagong setup ko, you guys. Hindi ba perfect yung lighting? Pakita ko sa inyo yung setup ko, ah. I'm not sure kung napakita ko na to sa inyo kahapon. Napakita ko na ba? So, isa lang yung ginagamit ko. Diba, naka-receive ako ng 2 ganyan. Isa lang muna yung ginamit ko kasi okay naman yung isa. Tapos, yeah, this is my setup. Diyan ako nakaupo. I'm planning to put a table on there and then kind of like put whatever on the table. Yeah, pero hindi ko pa alam. Plano pa lang naman. So, hubarin ko na to kasi nakakaloka ito. Masakit siya sa sa skin. Ang dami kasi niya sequence. So, parang, magaspang sa skin. Siya, irritating, ganun. So, yeah, hawalin ko lang to. I'm going to paint my nails. I'm watching Shane Dawson this time. And I will be painting my nails with this shade. This one is from Sinful Colors. Again, yung binigay sa akin ni Lorena. And this is in the shade Feeling Great. Ito yung paborito ni Dan sa mga binigay niya sa akin. So, I'm gonna wear this. Ito sana yung susutin ko kaya lang diba nag-attend kami ng funeral ng Monday. So, parang hindi naman, fitting or yeah. So yeah, this time ito yung gagamitin ko. And I also used last time nung pinaint ko yung nails ko, itong True Spa hand and nail cream. So ilalagay ko siya again sa nails ko before ko siya i-paint. I'm actually really liking the Sinful Colors na nail polish. Isa pa yung nagamit ko, yung blue. Tapos ito, second one. So we'll see kung magugustuhan ko pa rin siya. Pero like longevity wise, gusto ko siya. Tapos yung formula din, opaque. So bongga. Tapos hindi din siya mahalan, ha. Hi guys! Gusto ko lang ipaalam sa inyo, char. Gusto ko lang ipaalam sa inyo na I will be hosting a giveaway, char. Parang ang laki ng giveaway, diba? Hindi, konti lang you guys. Kasi naka-receive ako ng package sa bahay. Actually, matagal na to, mga few weeks ago. Sinend sa akin na yung kapatid ko yung picture. So, Sample Room sent me those. So, merong olay, tapos merong towel, merong lufa, tapos merong lalagyan ng sabon. Tapos si Miss, tinanong ko sa kanya kung gusto niya, para sa kanya na lang. Tapos sabi niya, okay lang, ipag-giveaway mo na lang. So, yun, ipopost ko yun sa Instagram the day na this vlog will be uploaded. Ipopost ko siya sa Instagram, and sa Instagram nyo na lang i-check yung details. So, yeah, sorry sa mga walang Instagram kasi yung YouTube nakakaloka. Meron ng mga churva-churva yung YouTube sa mga giveaway na yan. Hindi ko pa alam yung details, pero ayokong i-risk na baka anong mangyari sa YouTube channel ko kapag meron akong giveaway dito. So, pero yeah, ipopost ko siya sa Instagram, and please check it out if you want. I know it's not huge. So, open siya sa mga residents lang ng Pilipinas. Or kung hindi kayo nakatira sa Pilipinas pero meron kayong address na pagsesendan ko sa Philippines, that's okay. So, basically, lahat ng merong address sa Pilipinas na pwede kong pagsendan ng package can join. So, yeah, it's up to you. Oh, by the way, na-paint ko na yung nails ko. Tapos, this case, I wanna show you pala. I got this from Kmart. It was only 50 cents, I believe. Yeah. It's snakeskin holographic thingy. So, yeah. Kasi yung, okay, let's do this na, phone case ko, tsaka na. Ito yung nabili ko from Typo. Look at that. Tsaka na yung niya, parang naging yellowish. Tapos parang nag-change skin. Ganon. So, yeah. Kung interesado kayo na mapanalunan yung Olay, please check my Instagram picture na I will post today. This is our dinner. I baked chicken. Tapos merong sweet potatoes, onion, and then parang yun lang. Yep. And then the chicken. Yummers. We will add gravy in a bit. So, yes. Kain tayo. My rice is still cooking. Malapit na siya. Hopefully. Yep, malapit na. Are you vlogging?
Vlogging.
I have on the robe that Kathy gave me. It has a hood.
It's a hood.
Yeah. So cute.
Thank you, Kat.
Thank you. Thank you, Kat. I also really like that it has these, like polka dots. Here? Yeah. What?
393. 882.
Oh, whatever.
Oh, wow. Look at 2,000. That's views.
It's the views. Where's your guapo picture? Where is it? Where's the guapo picture?
Yeah.
Show me the guapo picture. Sige na. There. You look so good with makeup. I should do your makeup.
Nah.
Yeah? I'll do your makeup? No? Oh, by the way, our video reached 5,000 likes already. Yes, I'm aware because a lot of people keep commenting and telling me, hey, your video reached 5,000 likes. We will do the video soon.
2 weeks.
In 2 weeks, he said. We will do the my boyfriend tag.
That's what you're filming when I got home.
And yeah. Oh, it's posted. I did a live stream on Facebook earlier, by the way, you guys. I forgot to tell you. So for those people who request shout outs, I will do it on Facebook on live stream. I don't really have a schedule. Like I just go live whenever I have free time. So yeah, I went live earlier for I don't know, 15 minutes I think.
This is Rhaze in 20 years time. This is Pinay living down under.
Pinay?
This will be Rhaze when she does her videos.
Ooh, she has nail polishes. You guys, I will close the vlog. He's watching some YouTube. I just want to say thank you again to Kaf for giving this to me. And dinaan pa niya talaga dito kanina. So, thank you, Kaf. And yeah, makikita kami again on Saturday. We will watch Central Intelligence. So, that's exciting. I like Kevin Hart. So, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a fun movie. Are you looking forward to it? Yeah. That was a no. That was like...
Oh, yeah. More for you.
Yeah.
It's
gonna be fun. It's gonna be
It'll be
fun.
fun. It'll be
Do you
fun.
like The Rock?
Yeah, we should bring some popcorn on that.
Yeah, we will bring our popcorn. Anyway, we'll close the vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye. Bye. Wanna say bye though? Good night. I'm not showing you. Good night. You're not even in here.
No.